In this video, let's see how to convert Canva to Google Slides. Open your project and click the Share button. Click on the Download icon from the dropdown. Click on the drop-down menu of File Type. Select PPTX from the list of file types. Select the pages you want and click the Done button. Click the Download button. Go to Google Slides and select Blank Presentation to start a new Google Slides project. In the navigation bar, click on File. Choose Import Slides from the dropdown. In the Import Slides pop-up, click the Upload tab to upload your file. Drag and drop the downloaded PPTX file onto the upload area. Select the pages you want to import. Then, click on the Import Slides button. Observe the imported pages on the left panel.